Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily recover any files that you may have lost on a hard drive or a thumb drive or any other type of drive. Um, this is assuming that you can't find it in your recycle bin and it's gone for good. In this, but I'm going to show you actually that it's not gone for good. Um, there's a piece of software you can use that will recover the file or files easily, and it's really just kind of a few clicks. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you right here. Okay, in this disk I have here, this removable disk, right now you can see in Windows that it's currently empty. So the whole thing is what I did is I put some files on here and I went ahead and I deleted them and I emptied out the recycle bin, which you can see over here to the right. The recycle bin has been emptied, so the files should be gone. Um, so let me go ahead and show you how this works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to recovermyfilesnow.com. recovermyfilesnow.com, and you'll see a link of that below this video. Go ahead and click on the free download and go ahead and run through the install process and get the software installed. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to show you how it works once you have it installed. Okay, so once you have the software installed and you bring it up, this is what you're going to see. There's a few different tabs here. There's one for scan. There's one for advanced. There's one for email if you want to recover if the file just happens to be an email. But for general files, all we want to do is just a regular scan. So what we're going to do is you have a few different options here. You've got a quick scan option, you've got a full scan option, and then you've got a guided scan option. So we're going to go ahead and start with the guided scan. So go ahead and click that. Just click the guided scan right here, and then hit Start Scan. And then there's some different options here. It'll say, do you want to recover the items from a hard drive? Okay, so you can choose either whether the item is from a reformatted drive. So if you would reformatted a drive and you want to find it, you can do it that way. Or you can do from an existing partition, which is, in this case, I've got a C, a D, and a J. Or you can search for a specific file name within the text. You can also recover files from an external device, and in this case, we're going to go to that same device, which was K. And then you can search for a file name, or you can just run a full scan on it. I mean, unless it's a huge drive, maybe like a terabyte, then you can go ahead and just run a whole scan on the whole drive. You should be fine. So you go ahead and hit Start Scan, and you'll see all the files that it's finding on that drive that we just saw a second ago didn't show any files in there. And again, we have an empty recycle bin over here. So if you it's gonna run for a while because it's digging really deep to see if it can find files anywhere. But most of the files you're gonna be looking for are gonna come up right away. So I just hit cancel on this, and then go to the images, and you'll be able to see the files that you're looking for. So in this case, I wanted to get this jellyfish file back after I had taken everything off that removable disk. So what you do is you just click on that file, or click on the files you want. Let's say we want the first 3 files, and then you press the recover button down here. So once you press recover, what it does is it puts it in a folder, and in this case it's on my desktop right over here on the right, and it automatically opens that file for it, and you see all 3 of the files right there that were recovered from the K drive. So that's it. It's pretty simple, and good luck getting your files back.